Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your meal prep business. So let's suppose I'm running meal prep business and I'm receiving many queries and messages on my WhatsApp. I'm manually replying to all of these queries and messages, and this is consuming a lot of my time, so I'm completely going to automate this process. And to do this automation, I'm going to create a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your meal prep business. For this, I have created a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and now we are going to check this WhatsApp chatbot once whether it is working fine or not. For that, I will be opening my WhatsApp and I'll send a message like, "Hey, I want to get meal plan." I'm going to send this message and we are going to wait for the reply. So here I have received this message. Now let's open my flow, and here you can see this is the very first message which I have created, and I have received the same exact message over here. "Hi, this is Healthy Eats, ready to plan your meals for the week. Please choose an option below to continue." Let's go with this view week's plan, and I'll receive a message. Here is the week's delicious menu: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Do you want to edit your order? Now let's go with this another button, confirm meal plan. I'll receive some other message in which it is asking me the veg plan, the non-veg plan, the keto plan. I'm going to click on this veg, and then I'm going to click on this non-veg, and then I'm going to click on this edit plan. So it will send me the message, what plan do you want to edit? Now here, let's go with this talk to human. So here it has sent me the message, "No problem, a team member will be with you shortly. Please hold on while we connect you." So this is how this WhatsApp chatbot is going to run. And now to learn how to create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your meal prep business. For this, I'm going to create a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And to visit Pabbly Chatflow, we simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser. And now after browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free. As I'm an existing user, I'll go with the sign in, and it has taken me to this all Pabbly apps page. Now over here, I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow access now. And I have landed to this app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to learn how you can create your own Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this add WhatsApp number, and then you can connect to your WhatsApp Cloud API details in your Pabbly Chatflow account, and your account will be created. If you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create your own Pabbly Chatflow account, then simply visit this add a WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow using WhatsApp Cloud API video tutorial. So here we are on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. So it shows an overview of the WhatsApp messages, credits and folders. You can manage your WhatsApp number and messages from here. Now over here you can see this option of folder. If you want to create a new folder, simply click on this add folder button. Name the folder, select the parent folder, and if you want to create a new folder, keep this as none and simply click on this create folder. In this way you will be able to create your own new folder. Now on the left hand side where we can see all these options, I'm going to go towards this inbox. So this is where all incoming WhatsApp message appear. You or your team can respond to customer chats from here in real time. Next is contacts. I'm going to open this. So this section manages all your WhatsApp contacts. You can view, add or import contacts to engage them via campaigns or support chats. Next is team queues. Now here you can assign messages or chats to different team members. This is useful for managing support agents or sales team and distributing workload. Next we have this option of templates. So here we have template list and explore templates. If you want to create a new template, simply click on templates list and you will be landed towards this page of templates. And if you want to check out some new or explore templates, you can go towards this explore templates button. Now we have this broadcast. So this is used to send bulk messages to your contacts. using approved WhatsApp templates. This is ideal for announcements, offers, or promotional messages. Next, we have this option of flows. So here you can create chatbot flow using Visual Builder. This will automate conversation by defining rules and responses for different user inputs. This is useful for lead generation, support, or FAQs. If you want to send catalog message, you can select from here. Now you have this option of AI assistant. Now here we have all the details related to this AI assistant, and if you want to learn the step-by-step method, you can simply visit this video tutorial how to use AI assistant. Next we have this option of settings. Now here we have so many options: opt-in management, inbox settings, contact custom fields, tags, quick replies, team members, chat assignments, configure SLAs, APIs and webhooks, activity log, notification preference, and time zone. So this configure your account settings, API keys, and WhatsApp number and integrations. You can also set notification or team permission. Next and the final option we have is of get help. So this access the help center or support documentation. Now let's go back to my app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. And let's quickly start creating a chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So to create a new chatbot, what we have to do, we have to go towards this flows as I've told you earlier. Now I'm going to go towards this flows. Let's open this. Now here I'm landed to this flow builder page. To create a new flow, you simply need to click on this add flow button. Here you can see the total flows which I've created. Here you can see the active flows, the inactive flows, and over here you will have all the list of flows which you have created. Now I want to create a new flow. For that, I'm simply going to click on this add flow. And here it has landed me towards this page from where we are going to start creating this chatbot. Now, Chatbot is a powerful no-code automation tool that allows businesses to create AI-driven chatbot for customer support, lead generation, and more. It helps automate repetitive tasks, improving efficiency and response time by offering 24/7 support, so it enhances customer experience and boosts engagement. It is important because it saves time, reduces human error, and allows businesses to focus on growth. Now here to create this chatbot, on the left hand side we have two very important options of messages and actions, and under these options we have very important buttons. Let's quickly go through all of these buttons. So the first button is text button. This button sends a text message along with multiple clickable buttons. User can tap a button to continue the conversation. Next we have this media button. So this allows you to send images, videos, GIFs with a message. Next we have this list. So this shows a list of options instead of buttons. This is useful when you have many choices. So instead of adding buttons, you can simply give this option of list, and when your customer will click on any of the option, the next message related to that button or the option will be sent to that customer. Now we have this catalog message. So if you want to send catalog message, you can select this button. If you have single product, you can use this. If you have many or multiple products, you can use this multi-product button. Now the next one is template. So this is pre-designed message format that includes text, images, buttons, and links. Now moving on to the next option of actions. The first one is that we have of condition. Now condition allows you to set logical condition for branching the conversation flow, like the yes or the no. Next, we have this ask address. So this prompts the user to enter the address and store it in contact field. Next, we have this ask location. So this requests the user's live location. Then we have this ask questions. So this is used to gather user input such as email, phone, or feedback. Next, we have this ask media. So this lets the user upload images, videos, or documents. We have this set custom field. So this stores the user input in custom variable for later use. We have this add tag. So this assigns a tag to users for segmentation and targeted follow-ups. We have this API request. So this sends or retrieves the data from external APIs to enhance chatbot functionality. And finally, we have this connect flow. So this links the flow to another chatbot flow. Now moving on to how we are going to create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. But first, before creating this WhatsApp chatbot, let me quickly name this chatbot to WhatsApp chatbot for your meal prep business. Now we are going to create this chatbot. Now to create this WhatsApp chatbot, we have to first trigger or activate this chatbot. And to do that, we have to enter the keywords and the regex. So here I'm going to enter some commonly used keywords like hello, hey, and hi, hey press enter, hi press enter. You can also add the keywords of your products and services. Now over here we have one more option of regex. Now this regex is as important as these keywords. Regex is like a smart search tool that helps Chatbot identify pattern in user messages. So instead of manually listing out every possible keywords, you can define rules to match different variation of words and phrases. If you only enter keyword like hey, hi, hello, the bot will only respond when those exact words are typed. If you use regex, you can create a rule. Now here I am going to write. So here I have written the regex in this format, and we have to make sure that we follow the same format while entering this regex. Now over here I have created a regex for these words plan, meal and week. If I open my WhatsApp, you can see that I have sent the message, hey, I want to get a meal plan. Now here I have created a regex in that way that whenever someone is going to send me the message, the chatbot gets activated. So here in the same manner I have created the regex. Here we have one more option, enter regex to match substring trigger, enable toggle for case sensitive regex. I am going to toggle this on. This is for case sensitivity. So by enabling regex, your chatbot can understand more variation of user messages without needing to add every possible keyword manually. Now here I am done with adding of the keywords and the regex. So here we have activated or triggered this chatbot. Now as soon as someone is going to send me the message, I want to send this message or the very first message. So what we have to do, how we are going to do this? For that, I'm going to go towards my chat flow, and over here you can see the circle. So we have to drag and drop the circle anywhere. You can drop this anywhere, and then you have to select your content type. I have already explained you all the content types. I'm going to select this as text plus button, and then I'm going to enter my text. So here I have entered my text like, hi, this is Healthy Eats. Ready to plan your meal for week? Please choose an option below to continue. And then I'm going to provide the buttons. Now here I have 3 options, so I'm going to provide the buttons. If you have more options, what you can do, you can simply drag and drop this and enter the header, body, footer, and then click on this add section, click on this add item, and you can add all your options until you create this complete list. Now here I just have 3 buttons, so I'm going to use this button option. So first I'm going to write confirm meal plan, then I'm going to write view week plan, and then I'm going to write talk to a human. Now here I'm going to provide messages for each of the buttons. If I open my WhatsApp, you can see that I have created message for each of the buttons, and as someone click on any of the button, the next message was sent to that user or the customer. So this is how we are going to create the message and the buttons. So for that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply drag and drop the circle, and then I'm going to select my content type. Now here I'm going to simply select this as text plus button. But what if you want to send an image? How we are going to send the image? For that, you have to select your content type as media, and then you have to upload the media. But before that, you have to select the media type. So here from this drop down, you can select your media type. Let's say you want to upload the image. So you have to select that, and then by clicking on this cloud, you can upload the media. Let's say you want to upload a video or audio or document. So you can upload that in the same manner, but you have to make sure that the file length or the size does not exceed the prescribed or the given size. So here I'm not going to upload the media. Just for the sake of making you understand, I have selected this button. I'm going to delete this, and now I'm going to create the message for each of these buttons. Now here I've created all the messages and buttons. Let's quickly go through all of these buttons. Confirm meal plan. Now in this confirm meal plan, what I'm going to do, I'm going to send them the plan. Do they want to get the veg plan? Do they want to get the non-veg plan? Do they want to get the keto plan? And when they're going to select that, I'm going to send separate message for each of these messages. If they're going to select this veg plan, I'm going to send them this veg message. If they're going to choose this non-veg plan, I'm going to send this non-veg message. And then if they're going to send this keto plan, I'm going to send this keto message. And when they have selected this, they want to confirm their order, I'm going to send them this message. Thanks for selecting the plan.
plan and with the payment link. And if they confirm the payment, I'm going to send them the message of awesome and thanks for making the payment, and we are going to confirm the payment like that. Next, we have this option of view weeks plan. Now here in this view weeks plan, what I've done, I've simply created one message only. You can create more messages or a detailed message. Here I've simply given the wedge plan. I asked them, do they want to edit this? And if they're going to edit this, I'm going to take their order and then I'm going to send them this thanks for selecting the plan message. Now here how I have asked this question, I've simply drag and drop this and then I've entered the list, the wedge menu list, and then I have selected my contact custom field as the order item and then the format as any. Now here my format is any because someone can write the number plus text. I'm going to select this as any, that's why. Now what's up with this contact custom field? Why we are going to select this contact custom field when we are asking the question? So it is very important to understand that whenever we are going to ask the question, we have to create this contact custom field also. Because in this way, we are going to create a dynamic message. The answers will be saved in this contact custom field and then we can use that to make the message personalized. So here what we have done, we have taken the contact custom field as order items. I'm going to go towards the settings and I'm going to open this contact custom fields and we are going to check this once. So here we have landed to this contact custom fields. If I scroll down, you can see all the fields which I have created. Now here I was talking about this order items. Now here how we are going to make this personalized. I'm simply going to copy this field name and I'm going to paste that field name over here. So now then this will become dynamic thanks for selecting, and whatever order you are going to write, this will become dynamic and the message will be sent. So this is how we are going to use this contact custom field to make the messages dynamic. I hope this is clear to you, and then when they are done making the payment, I'm going to send them this last message. I have created one more button, talk to human, in which I'm going to send them the message that we are going to connect with you. If you want to add your contact details, you can add in this button. So here I have created an example like meal prep business chatbot, and we are going to now test this chatbot. But before testing this chatbot, we have to make sure the chatbot is active. In this way, the chatbot remains inactive and the messages do not send. So we have to keep this active and then we have to make sure that we have saved this flow. If we do not save the flow or the messages will be lost and the messages will not be sent. So here flow updated successfully. Now I'm quickly going to open my WhatsApp and we are going to send the message. So here I'm going to write the message. I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply. It is asking me to confirm meal plan. I'm going to click on this button and then it is asking me for the veg plan, non-veg plan, keto plan. I'm going to go with this veg plan. And then it is asking me that do I want to click on this proceed to payment or do I want to click on this edit plan. So let's go with this proceed to payment first. And here we have received this. Next we have this edit option. So I'm going to click on this edit plan and you will see that here I have received this. I'm going to send the message as chickpea salad on Tuesday. And I'm going to send this message. And here we have received this message that I'm going to confirm this. So that's why I've created this message. So I'm going to confirm this that this is the veg plan. And I'm going to again click on this proceed to pay. Now here I'm going to go with this keto plan. It is going to send me the keto meal plan. And then I'm going to click on this non-veg plan. It is going to send me the non-veg weeks plan, meal plan. So this is how this WhatsApp chatbot is going to run. And here we have successfully created a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow for your meal prep business. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbot automation. And if you have any questions or queries, you can drop a comment below this video. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.